Is your Windows operating system reporting the Service Shell Service Model Classic Module DLL failure? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's resync your file architecture and restore your system integrity now. To start fixing Service Shell Service Model Classic Module manually, you can also consider the official maintenance toolkit for a more stable system state. This is the Service Shell Service Model Classic Module, a generic naming convention used by several proprietary PC tune-up or hardware support suites to house localized background services. Because it performs deep system monitoring, it is a high-risk file for antivirus heuristics. If missing, the parent app will report an API bind failure. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. The Service Shell Service Model Classic Module DLL library is a specialized asset belonging to the Localized service orchestration environment, and you must reinstall the host program that is displaying the error to ensure all internal dependencies are properly synchronized. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Service Shell Service Model Classic Module file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. A professional word of caution: many domains offering standalone Service Shell Service Model Classic Module DLL downloads are actually distributing modified binaries capable of logging keystrokes and compromising encrypted credentials. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. If missing library references are recurring, the software linked below provides general information on maintaining Service Shell Service Model Classic Module. I hope this resolved the conflict preventing Service Shell Service Model Classic Module from launching. For more deep dive technical tutorials and system configuration guides, subscribe to our channel today.